my daughter Bryn to meet Belle. When is she
She's
gonna
here.
come? Belle's here?
Belle is here.
Let's bring out baby Belle.
Where is she? Look at her.
Oh, and that's Mama.
Look at her. Yes, that's Mama.
That's Mama.
Look at her.
Oh my God.
That's little Belle.
Oh my God, she's so gorgeous.
Say hi, Bethany.
Oh my God, hi,
Say we
Peanut.
watch a show in our house.
Hi, Peanut. Hi. Close your ears when I'm talking because I say some bad things. Oh, my baby. You're so blessed.
Oh my God.
You have such a beautiful family. Your
Thank
wife.
you.
Oh my
Thank
God,
you
you're
so
so
much.
lucky. It goes so quickly. I haven't
Yeah.
seen a little baby like this in so long.
Well, it's so tough because, as you know, I travel and I go away for a week and then I come back home and she's bigger, she's smiling,
Yeah.
she's farting louder,
Oh my God. She's so beautiful. Are you
Thank
loving
you.
every minute of it?
Oh my God, I asked Diana one day, I was like, is it weird to say that I just want to eat her
I
up?
say it every, yes, no. Yeah, you want to like,
Look,
today's the day you're going to dust sugar on her and just eat her. Oh, she's so sweet. Oh, congratulations.
She's like, yeah, this is cool. I'm just chilling.
She's on TV already.